how to track the status of all the queries that you have raised on the official IRCTC website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can check the status of all of the queries that you have raised within the IRCTC official website. So as here you can see, currently I am in the official IRCTC website, and if you don't know how you can reach here, so you can simply open any web browser and simply search for irctc.co.in. So irctc.co.in is the official IRCTC website, and then you can log in using your user and password IRCTC credentials. And once you are done logging in, you will see the home page right this. So in this home page, in order to get the list of all the queries that you have raised, you need to click onto this help and support button at the top. So simply click onto this help and support button at the top, and you will see a login page like this. So in this login page, you can either choose to enter your email ID or your mobile number. So you can enter any one of the following, and you need to fill in the correct captcha from this image. And then you will click onto the submit button, and it will ask you for an OTP. So if you have entered the email ID, it will send the OTP onto the email ID, or if you have entered the mobile number, it will send the OTP on your mobile number. So once you are done with this, you will see this particular page like this. Now in this particular page, you have two options. The first one is the query and the second one is the concern raised. So in case you want to raise any query, you can use this option and raise any query by choosing the category and the subcategory. Or if you want to track all of the queries that you have previously lodged, you can simply click onto this concern raised options, and it will show you this particular format. So currently in my case, it shows no results as I have never previously logged any query with the IRCTC. But if you have recently logged any query, it will be shown here with the concern ID, title, category, subcategory, status, and the last activity, and also on the platform where the query was raised. Apart from that, it will also contain the feedback and the action responses as well. So that's how easily you can check the all the history of the concern raised within the IRCTC official website. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.